Welcome back to my channel. It's Biscuit. How is everybody doing? Hopefully everybody's having a good day wherever you are. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of Designz By Nine's press-on nail kits. So she was kind enough to send me over one of her kits, and I have it here. This is her deluxe box that she is selling with press-ons. So I thought that I would bring this box to you, open it up. We're gonna unbox it together, and we're gonna see all the goodies that come inside. All right, so it comes in this nice big white box. Let's go ahead and let's open it. Ooh, a nice little note here inside: elegance and magic awaits. I'm gonna go ahead and open this off camera. Oh, this is super cute. It has a wax seal on it. Love it. Gives it that vintage vibe feels. Love the paper. Aww. She says, "Hey Crystal, Biscuits. Thank you so much for your support. A lot of love went into making your box. It is my pleasure to let you know that you are the first to receive what will be launched as Designz By Nine's Vanity box. I hope you enjoy all of the contents inside. Elegance, beauty, and sophistication. Your favorite Designz By Nine." This is super, super cute. Look at this paper. This seal is just so cute, and it's in blue, y'all. Y'all know my favorite color is blue, okay? So let's go ahead and let's get into it. Look at this the tissue paper. Definitely gives you a vintage feel for sure. Okay, we see you with the aesthetics. I love it. Okay, so we opened the box and we got some goodies. Let's start off with this ball here. Let's take a look and see what this is. Oh my gosh, this is a card reader. Not a card reader, but a card puller. So let me see. I will grab one of my loyalty cards. So right, us with the long nails don't care, right? Long nails and don't care, and we be clickety clackety all for sure. So you can put your credit card or debit card, whatever card you have, inside of the card readers, and you're able to pull it out without having to struggle to get your card out of like the ATM or at the gas pump. So this is nice. I like that she included this in the kit, because we definitely need one of these handy, okay? And you can put this right on your car keys and it'll come right in handy for you. I love it. Okay, and I don't have one of these, surprisingly. So thank you so much. This is a nice touch to add to the box. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and put that over to the side. The next thing we have, these bags are super cute. Okay, so we have a buffer and a file. We have some alcohol pads. We definitely need these so that way we can cleanse our nails and get them prepped. We have some sticky tabs. I have 3 sets here. We also have, we have some nail glue, and we have some cuticle oil, because y'all know we need to make sure that we have some oil on our cuticles. Let me put some here. I just want to see if it has a scent. And it does. This one is the lavender scent. So, ooh, smells wonderful. Okay, so that's what comes in this little kit. So that is perfect for when we are ready to put on our press-ons. I love it. This is definitely what every nail kit should have, especially if you are doing a press-on set. I love that it comes with that. And here we have, are these some eyelashes? Okay, mink eyelashes. How cute. I love that you get this option with this vanity box. Love that. So, and also inside of here, oh, it comes with the tweezers to help you put them on. These are cute, and the spoolies, so that way you can straighten out those lashes and straighten out yours. This is a nice touch, love it. And they're both pink, okay, the aesthetics, right? We also have an eyelash brush. You guys can clean off your eyelashes, and just in case you happen to wear these more than once, you can scrub your eyelashes when you are cleaning them as well. So I definitely like that. Okay, love that this comes in this kit as well. And then what is this? We have manual eyeliner. So this might actually be the eyeliner glue. Oh, and it's blue. Okay, I think this is the glue that actually you could put on your eyeliner. I'm sorry, on your eye, and then you should be able to stick the lash right to the line. Let me put on a glove really quickly to show you. I put on a glove, and you know how you are outlining your lash line, right? You let it dry for I think about 30 seconds, and then you can adhere your lash to that and it won't move. So I like that you get this in this kit, because you know you're trying to be beautified all the way around, you know. So yes, this is cute, and I love that it comes in blue, that's for sure. So this is a nice touch, and it comes with everything you need to do the eyebrows. I'm sorry, the eyelashes. So love it. Oh my gosh, look at all these goodies. Take this glove off. All right, so let's get into, whoa. Okay. Let's move our box out the way. See what other goodies we have. Up. Up. Okay. Look at all of this. Okay, show out then. Okay. Designz By Nine. Press on nails. So this deluxe, let me tell you a little specs about the deluxe box. So this deluxe box will have two complete hand sets. So you will get a full set for your hands. You'll not get one, you'll get two. And then you will also get a toe press-on set. Have y'all heard about these toe press-on sets? Because I have never seen it for one. So this is a shock to me, right? So I didn't even know that that was a thing. But I'm here for it, okay? Because look, there's been times where I'm not able to do my own feet because I'm so busy with working a full-time job, also taking clients, being a YouTuber, and so on and so forth, just family life and, you know, other things, right? So who would have thought about press on toenails? Did anybody else think about that? Because I'm completely blown away at the fact that there is a such thing as toenail press-ons. I don't know, maybe it's just me, maybe I'm on a slow bus, I don't know. But honey, when I saw that this box included some press-on toenails, I was for it, because I don't get a chance to do my feet as often as I should, like I said, because I'm busy. So I love the fact that this box includes that, and it includes two sets of press-on nails. Okay, so it gives you options. And not only that, you guys know that press-ons, you guys can reuse them for more than once. I would say up to at least 3 to 4 times. Maybe on the 4th time, I would definitely add the glue, so that way it stays on for a longer manicure, for maybe a 3-week, 4-week wear. But yes, I am super excited about this, right? So you can, with this box, you can only choose your length and shape. She will go ahead and customize things based off of your liking. She'll kind of talk with you and figure out what you like, and then she will create her own press-on sets for you, okay? So I already went ahead and I talked to her, and I kind of told her what I was looking for, and she went ahead and completed it. So let's go ahead and let's take a look. So let's start with this box, Designz By Nine, press-on nails. Oh my gosh, look at these. Do y'all see them? Look at the glitter. Look at the color combo. Summertime ready, sunburst ready, okay? Yes, ma'am. I want to wear these right now, okay? And I'm actually going to try these on for you as well. After the video, we'll do some, we'll put them on so you guys can kind of see them in action. So yes, this is set number 1. This is super, super pretty. Love it. Can we say knocked it out the park? I had showed her an inspo picture that I really liked, and the original inspo picture was red and white. And I told her to do your thing. And look at this. Yes. Okay, this is set number 1. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. All right. Let's get into this box here. Ah! Oh my God. Look at these toenails. Y'all know my favorite color is blue, okay? Like I said, who would have thought that this was a thing? Talk about fit me and go, baby. Oh, I need to run outside. We going to the beach. We going outside to a family function. Oh, we got a date night. Yes, ma'am. Pop these right on. Oh my gosh. You guys, look at how beautiful. I mean, I know it can't fit here, but picture it on a toenail. And oh my gosh, you know what I need to get? I need to get me a silicone toe. I'm sorry, a silicone foot. That's what I need to order next. I am so excited about this. Like, I have never seen this before. And like I said, I know I'm probably on the slow bus. You guys can get me later, but press on toenails. What? I am just shocked. And look how pretty these are. These are matte at that. Just imagine if they were shiny too. And look at the blue flowers. Gorgeous. Love it. All right, so let's get into the second set. So this must be another full a hand set. And I have them to match. Shut up. Sorry, y'all. I have them to match. Oh my goodness, look at these. These are gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at these. You guys, beautiful. You guys, you ladies are so talented. All of my nail sisters are so talented with the creations. It's just amazing to see your work and your progress, all that good stuff. This is amazing. I can't wait to add these to my collection. How dope is this? You get 2 sets. Amazing. So this is the one I had her to create for me, so she put in the box for me. And let's get into this last set, which will be part of your kit. This is a nice box. Girl, look at these. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at these. And this is what all comes with your Vanity Deluxe box. Oh my gosh. Look at the vintage. I see what you was doing here. Okay. Vintage feel all the way around. Give me this dusty rose with the bling. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Oh my gosh. These are so cute too. Oh my God. All of my nail sisters, you guys are so talented. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I can't wait to get into these. So you guys, let's go ahead. Let's not even wait, right? Because That's what we need to see. So I'm finna pop on some sticky tabs and let's go. Okay, let's get into this set, honey. So this is the set that I had her to recreate with the picture that I sent over to her. This was a separate purchase from her kit. So she does make single press-ons if you are interested, and you can send her inspo and she'll go ahead and recreate the set for you with whatever design and even add her own touch. So can we say assignment understood and did, okay? These are beautiful, beautiful. Here we are with set number 2 and did assignment understood again. These are absolutely stunning, okay? These definitely give me the vintage feel that she was going with the box, the packaging. Oh my gosh, like these are stunning. So these are the extra long nails that you can get with your kits. Again, she does make these for single purchase as well. You guys need to go on over to her website. All the links will be down below in the description box for you. Make sure you tell her Biscuit sent you. These are gorgeous, okay? And did. Right? And so this is why she includes the card clip in your kit, is because when you have these extra long nails and you need to, you know, get gas or get some money out of the ATM, this will make it easy for you to get your card out of the card reader slot. And not only that, it's really cute and you can add it right to your keys. So yes, great addition. I love it. It's the little things for me. And here is set number 3. Oh my gosh, these beauties here, okay? It's the blue for me, the flowers for me, the matte for me, okay? The creativity and the thought process that went in making these press-on nails is amazing. Same thing with all of my nail sisters. You guys are so talented, and I'm so happy and so humbled to be a part of you guys' journey, to be able to support and be able to witness and see all the great things you all are doing. I am so proud of each and every one of you. Oh my gosh. Look at you guys. These are amazing. So again, if you guys have not checked out Designz by Nine, all the links will be down in the description box. Head on over there, check her out, get you a kit. She also has different kits to customize as well. Okay, so if you guys are interested and want to check out Designz by Nine, I will leave all of her information down in the description box if you guys are interested, and I will leave all of her social media down there as well. Make sure you guys go check her out, support. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. I am super ecstatic. These nails are so beautiful. Again, all of her information will be down in the description box. If you have any questions, you want to reach out to her, see if she can create you a set, get you a deluxe kit, and she has different sizes. So make sure you check out her website as well, or you can DM her on Instagram and ask her questions if you have any questions for her. So yeah, I appreciate this. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sending me over this beautiful nail kit. And trust me, I will be putting this to use. So head on over there, check her out, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.